Hello everyone at rantfinance.com and welcome to yet another video version of Dino's Tech Picks. It is Monday evening, about 11:15 Eastern on May 7th, and taking a look at the ES here. Surprise, surprise. Pretty interesting stuff. Last night, about this time, we were talking about the big gap down and this tight trading range. Looked like another bear flag here, and bulls were on the ropes. And then about 2 o'clock yesterday morning, kind of drifted up here to the open. Was real nervous here about a back test and then a drift back down, and boy, we punched right through, drifted back up again, hit a high on the minis here about 1370, and then kind of drifted down, had a little bit of selling into the close and whatnot. But in my opinion, what this has formed is a nice pull and a flag here, drifting down, and we're drifting down right to that the neckline of that big head and shoulders pattern again, to do a nice test here. And if that's a successful test, I think we're going to have a pretty good move to the upside here. I kind of measured this target off of about a 1347 low and a 1370-ish high. And if we were to break out somewhere in this area of the flag, we're pushing up to that 1389, 1390 area, which coincidentally is some of the wicks here of the move off of this small head and shoulders pattern in that 1386, 1387 area. If this were to play out, that target is around the area of these wicks. So I would not be surprised if it plays out, if we push through this this area here again. That's been tested and busted through many times, but and then kind of stall out here, at least for the time being. But we'll keep an eye on this, and the flip side to this, or the bearish side, is that we drift down here to this neckline and we fall through it. That could very well happen tonight as well, and that would be a busted bullish pattern. And that would not be good for bulls, as we talked last night. If we kind of pan out a little bit here, there's that big head and shoulders pattern, and where we kind of busted through last night, but then we came right back and over that neckline. If this thing were to play out, though, we're looking at a target down well below 1300. So, but we're above the neckline for now, and that's the way we're going to play it. And again, I really like this pattern here, so I'm leaning bullish tonight anyway. But again, by the time we wake up in the morning, this could be a busted pattern, and we got to go to Plan B. So I'll check in or check it out in the morning and update the blog. So feel free to check back in the morning, and we'll see what happened overnight and see if we can get some direction for tomorrow's trading.